Sometimes when I'm feeling stressed out, overwhelmed, I'm not sure where an idea is going, there's this sort of magic in those moments when you're just writing for you. You're writing compulsively because you have to. I woke up in the middle of the night with an idea. I just started writing and I pretty much haven't stopped. It's at 40,000 words right now, and there's sort of a magic in that. I've only really just now started sharing what the story's about. And I guess what I'm saying is I think it's wonderful to share with your communities what you are working on. However, there is something to be said about the sort of magic that happens when it's just you and a story. So allow yourselves to have secret projects once in a while. You don't want to hold all your cards too tight to your chest and never let anyone in. Absolutely be vulnerable and share, but you're allowed to have secrets too. I want to know, what are you working on? Do you have a secret project? So secret that you won't even tell me? Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration. Check out all the links below, and I will see you next week. Bye everyone!